I hear the sound of breakthrough. I feel the wind of your glory. I feel your power. There's a freshness in the air. There's a healing in my soul. Holy Spirit is moving in this place. I can't breathe now. I feel my release now. I keep hearing Holy Spirit say rest, rest, rest now, child. I hear the sound of breakthrough. I feel the wind of your glory. I feel your power. Oh, I feel your power. I hear the sound of breakthrough. I feel the wind of your glory. I feel your power. I feel your power. I feel your power. It's moving in me. It's moving.